Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the chapter Common Errors. So, students, grammatical errors or you come in many forms and can easily confuse and obscure meaning. Some common errors are with prepositions, most importantly, subject-verb agreement, tenses, punctuation, spelling, and other parts of speech. Prepositions are tricky, confusing, and significant in sentence construction. So, you know very well that India has the second highest number of English speakers, but it is still a foreign language, and the common mistakes we make prove it. So, in a country where many regional languages are used, a lot of errors creep into the grammar and vocabulary of an average English speaker in our country. Writing and speaking in English as a non-native speaker has its own set of problems. So, grammatical errors come in many forms and can easily confuse and obscure meaning. So, generally they are with the prepositions, most importantly subject-verb agreement, tenses, punctuations, spellings, and other parts of the speech. So, today we are going to discuss some common errors that are given in your class. So, let us study the examples. We will read the incorrect also and then the correct also. See in the picture you can see, and you can see in your book also. So, incorrect and correct both are given here. So, see number 1. He born in a rich family. He born in a rich family. So, what is the correct? It is given in the right hand side. He was born in a rich family. Second, the function held yesterday. The function was held yesterday. It is about the tense, you can see. Third one, he can play piano. And the answer is he can play the piano. So, here I want to tell you that with musical instrument, the definite article is used before the musical instrument. So, the piano. It is the definite article also. Then fourth one, he has read the first and the second chapter of the book. So, see the right answer. He has read the first and the second chapter of the book. In question it was written, or you can say incorrect, it was chapters. He has read the first and the second chapters of the book, but the correct is he has read the first and the second chapter of the book. Fifth number, he has read the first and the second chapter of the book. And if we write it together, he has read the first and second chapters of the book. Sixth number, I met Ramesh on the way and stopped talking to him. I met Ramesh on the way and stopped talking to him. I met Ramesh on the way and stopped to talk to him. And stopped to talk to him. See the 7 number, the next one. The letters are delivered by the postman. The letters are delivered by the postman. Letters are delivered by the postman. He went to the school at the age of 5. He went to school at the age of 5. Aziz went to school to see his son's teacher. Aziz went to the school to see his son's teacher. Playing hockey, a thorn entered his foot. While he was playing hockey, a thorn entered his foot. See the next one. Taking tea, a wasp stung her. Same here also. While she was taking tea, a wasp stung her. The next one. He needs a servant to cook food badly. He badly needs a servant to cook food. 13th number. He will win a scholarship, for he is hardly working. He will win a scholarship, for he is working hard. The cat drank away a little milk that he had. The cat drank away the little milk that he had. 15th number. Many a man have come. So what is the correct? Many a man has come. I know to play hockey. I know how to play hockey. See the next also. So we saw that there are many from 1 to 16 we have read, and we have seen that the mistakes are there with the tense also, with the preposition also, with the articles also, conjunction also. So in this way we make many mistakes while speaking, and they are called common errors. We are doing this. See 17 number. Please let him to go. Please let him go. Bare infinitive will be there. I made him to run fast. I made him run fast. I want boiling some milk. I want to boil some milk. He expects me to do so. He expects me to do this. So in sentence number 17, the verb let and make take an infinitive without to. Some other verb of such type are feel, hear, notice, see and watch. It is of 17 and 18. And in 19, the verb takes an infinitive to boil and not a gerund boiling after it to express purpose. In sentence 20, you see the verb expect takes an infinitive with to. Some other verbs of this type are advise, allow, compel, enable, order, want and wish. So let us see 21. The house consisted 5 rooms. The house consisted of 5 rooms. Consisted of. It takes off with it. The book comprised of 10 chapters. The book comprised 10 chapters. Here also see in 21. The verb consist takes the preposition of after it, but the verb comprise does not take preposition after it in such sentences. The verb consist takes the preposition of, but the verb comprise does not take any preposition after it in such sentences. Okay, so up to here you read in your book and you write 1 to 10 in your notebook. So it's bye for today. Tomorrow we shall discuss the next one.